We have been able to work in 3 counties on the issues of disaster management. We have been able to work in Laikipia. We're also working in Samburu and working also in Isiolo. And in these 3 counties, we are supporting them to do in legislation framework, whereby we are supporting them to come up with policy and the bills on disaster risk management. In Laikipia, for example, last year we were able to support and work with them, and they have been able to develop disaster risk management policy, which was passed by the executive and was signed by the governor. And now it is a working document.
And the common disasters are here. Basically, drought is a very important hazard in the counties of Laikipia, Isiolo, and Samburu. And followed by floods, human-wildlife conflict, and human as well as human-to-human conflict. Those are the hazards, and which sometimes result into disasters when people capacities are overwhelmed, that they are not able to handle the hazards, and they now spill over into disasters.